Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to farm acorns in Botw. To begin, head to forested regions like the Great Hyrule Forest or the Akala Highlands. Look for trees with dense foliage. Approach a tree and press the button to shake it. Acorns will fall to the ground, ready for collection. Repeat this process across many trees for efficient farming. For optimal results, focus your efforts around the entrance to Korok Forest. Many trees there drop acorns consistently. Another great location is the path leading to Hatino Village, especially near the orchards. To maximize your collection speed, equip a two-handed weapon and perform a spin attack near fallen acorns. This gathers them quickly. To further boost your acorn haul, consider wearing the Sheikah set armor, which increases your stealth and can help you approach animals that might drop acorns. While not directly for acorns, using the Magnesis rune to clear metal objects can sometimes reveal hidden acorns. Remember, acorns can be cooked into various dishes, offering health recovery or selling for a decent price. Acorns are incredibly versatile. They are a fantastic ingredient for cooking meals that restore your stamina wheel, which is crucial for exploration. You can also sell them to any merchant for a consistent source of rupees, especially if you've farmed a large quantity. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on your adventures.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.